ভাই কি করছে?
ম্যাথে সাম প্র্যাকটিস করছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আমি যে কাজটা করেছি, ভাইয়ের যে প্র্যাকটিস শিট আছে না, প্র্যাকটিস শিটে একদম ক্যালকুলেটর চেপে চেপে সব অ্যান্সার বসিয়ে দিয়েছি। অ্যান্সার ভাইয়াকে দেখাবো না, এবং ভাইয়াকে প্রশ্ন করবো, দেখবো ভাইয়া কত দ্রুত সঠিক রিপ্লাই দিতে পারে কিনা। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে,
চলো
লেটস সি।
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, doing some math Olympiad questions.
Okay, it will help.
Oh, it was held on 24th January 2025.
This is Math Olympiad, right?
Yes, presented by Pratham Aalo and Das Bangla Bank.
Are you ready to go?
Yes,
Okay, so now can I ask you some questions?
of course.
Okay. I want to ask you some maths, and you will reply me by calculating human as a human calculator. Okay?
Okay,
Can you do?
okay.
Okay. So first, 56 plus 25 plus minus 26 plus 22 plus 10 plus 55 plus 36 plus 25 minus 52 plus 11. That is
162.
okay. It's good. Answer is correct. Okay. Another question is 35 plus 11 plus 26 plus 55 minus 56 plus 12 plus 36 plus 49 plus 55 plus 17. That is
240.
yes, that is correct. Okay. Another question is 96 plus 28 minus 74 plus 68 plus 83 plus 74 minus 16 plus 29 minus 13 plus 29. That is
304.
answer is correct. Okay. The another question is 65 minus 56 plus 85 plus 36 plus 22 plus 36 minus 55 plus 66 plus 88 plus 32. That is
Plus 32. 319.
yes, answer is correct. Okay. Again, another question is 96 plus 14 minus 95 plus 62 plus 53 plus 89 minus 55 plus 45 plus 22 plus 20. That is
Plus 22.
plus 20.
Okay. 2051.
Yes, the answer is correct. Okay. Again, another question is 29 plus 18 plus 55 minus 48 plus 72 plus 21 plus 96 plus 57 plus 68 minus 11.
357.
Yes, the answer is correct. Okay. I'm going to another page. Okay. Let me see. Okay. 84 plus 38 plus 17 minus 46 plus 39 plus 66 plus 91 minus 89 plus 42 plus 19. That is
261.
yes, the answer is correct. Okay. The next question.
Okay.
35 plus 46 plus 28 plus 92 plus 64 minus 37 plus 26 plus 17 minus 35 plus 18. That is
Minus 35 plus 18.
yeah,
2054.
yeah, the answer is correct. Okay. The next question. 56 plus 37 plus 54 minus 46 plus 29 plus 47 minus 45 plus 49 plus 16 minus 29. That is
Minus 29. 168.
Yeah, the answer is correct. Okay, next. 77 plus 89 plus 13 minus 43 plus 51.
I'm sorry, would you repeat again?
77 plus 89 plus 13 minus 43 plus 51 plus 29 plus 46 plus 27 plus 12 plus 39. That is?
340.
The answer is correct. Yes. Okay. Next. 58 plus 73 minus 49 plus 28 plus 56 plus 47 minus 23 plus 38 plus 26 plus 81. That is?
That is 335.
The answer is correct. Okay. Next. 58 plus 73 minus 49 plus 28 plus 56 plus 47 minus 23 plus 38 plus 26 plus 81. That is?
335.
Yes, the answer is correct. Okay. Next. 69 plus 96 minus 43 plus 27 plus 56 plus 18 plus 77 minus 64 plus 25 plus 37. That is?
298.
Yes, the answer is correct. Okay, thank you very much. তুমি সফলভাবে সম্পন্ন করেছো. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.